This video how an LEMATEC Air Sandblaster Gun can restore wood through surface treatment, repurposing reclaimed wood, and removing stains. Surface restoration of a wooden plate. The surface of this wooden plate may have scratches, stains, or wear from prolonged use. Now, we will use an air sandblaster gun to repair this issue. By performing a uniform sandblasting process, we can repair the scratches and worn areas. Finally, some sandpaper can be used for finishing touches to restore the smooth surface of the plate. Repurposing reclaimed wood. Apart from restoring existing wooden items, an air sandblaster gun can also assist us in repurposing reclaimed wood. Select a piece of reclaimed wood that may have stains or coatings. We use LEMATEC Air Sandblaster Gun to remove the stains and coatings from the wood surface. Subsequently, we can repaint or apply other decorative techniques to the wood, revitalizing it. Surface treatment of wooden materials. The LEMATEC Air Sandblaster Gun effectively addresses wood surface roughness and unevenness while highlighting the natural wood grain. By choosing different blasting media, you can achieve various effects, adding unique characteristics and texture to wooden artworks. For wood artists, the LEMATEC Air Sandblaster Gun is a reliable tool that assists in surface treatment, creating distinct effects on wood materials.